Hello guys, welcome yet again and let's do this question. I read the question. Find the value of a. You are given integral from 0 to pi over 3 ax cos x plus sin x close the bracket dx equals to 0. And so guys, we now begin to do this question. I can divide it into two parts. First, I will do the first part, that is ax cos x. So I will write ax cos x. And guys, I can take taking a being a constant, I can put it right there, and then I now integrate x cos x. Guys, I'm going to use integration by parts so that x, I will say it is u, and therefore du is equals to 1 dx. I come and take this, we have the x right here. I take cos x dx as dv, and therefore v is equals to sine x. And now guys, I now use the method of integration by parts. And so therefore, guys, I'm going to have, this is now going to be uv is x sin x minus integral of v du. This is now going to be sine x. Again guys, I can integrate minus integral sine x so that we have x sine x now plus cos x. And guys, as you can see, we have our constant right here. So we shall put a at this point, and then guys, we integrate now. We now fix the limits, which are from 0 to pi over 3. And so, putting the limits, first we put pi over 3. This is going to be a pi over 3, then sine pi over 3 plus, this is also going to have a cos pi over 3, all that now minus. Again, we are going to have a, when we now put 0, guys, this is going to be 0. And so we are only going to have this, that is a cos 0. So guys, that's what we are going to have. And now we continue. So for this term, we have pi over 3 a, and then sine pi over 3 is equivalent, is actually equal to square root of 3 all over 2. Now plus, here we have a, and then we come to cos 60. And cos 60 is usually a half. Then we have minus a cos 0 is 1. And so therefore guys, for the first part, we shall have, factoring out a, we shall have a square root of 3 pi all over 6. And then we have a half minus 1. Here we have an a. This now comes to negative a half. Guys, we have already factored out the A, and so therefore, this is our first part. We can call it Roman 1. And now we can deal with the second part. For this part, you shall have minus cos, when we integrate sin x, is minus cos x. And then we can put the limits which are 0 and pi over 3. So this one now comes to negative a half. When we put pi over 3, we get negative a half. That is cos 60. And then you put minus, and then you have plus cos 0. That gives us 1. So this is equals to a half. And this is now Roman 2. Guys, now when we combine those two, Roman 1 plus Roman 2, guys, these are supposed to give us, as we have already seen here, we have the value of 0. So therefore, we shall have, this is what we are going to have. The first one was this term, and the second one was a half. And so therefore, guys, we can now solve for a. And therefore, we can put negative, that is a half on this side, it becomes negative a half. And we are left with this other term on this side. This, we can write it under the same denominator as square root of 3 pi. And then we can put 3 here, all over 6. Guys, we are putting this under the same denominator. That's a half. And so it's like that. And then, guys, we can come and now make A the subject of the formula. So A is left on that side, and all others go to this side, negative a half. And then we have 6 is supposed to be there. We have square root of 3 pi minus 3. And so, guys, this is then going to be A equals to, can divide there. So we are left with negative 3 all over square root of 3 pi minus 3. So guys, that is our solution, and thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.